Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. This one, I know what it is. But before we get to this one, let's talk about this one. Wrist check. Again, new policy with quartz watches. My below lunar pilot. I am not adjusting all the quartz watches anymore. I'll just leave them at the time that they have. Automatics, I will adjust since I have to set them anyway before the video. So, to save time, and mainly because I forget, I'm not adjusting the quartz watches anymore. This is one of my favorite quartz watches in my collection. Some people don't like it because they feel it's big. I think it's 46 millimeter case size. It is big, but I like it. It kind of fits my wrist. And I just like it a lot. Again, one of my favorite watches in my collection. But let's get to this watch. This will not be a first for this brand in my collection, but I do not currently have one of these in my collection as I gave them away as gifts. So it is a return in a sense. And this is a Watch Gang watch for Black Friday wheel spins. So nod to Watch Gang for that. Don't buy a lot of Watch Gang watches, but Black Friday spins come around and I'm suddenly one of the biggest customers. Yeah, let me just cut that here. All right. That's that. So you can see a little yellow. That's a good indicator for the brand. Oh, the box seems to be a little open. Okay. So it's upside down, but you can recognize those wings, can't you? Invicta. It's been a while since I had an Invicta watch. Well, let's see. Some of them, I have to say, Invicta sometimes gets a bad rap because some other watches are a little, people call them gaudy, large. Oh, they overdo it sometimes, and they do overdo it sometimes. But some other watches are nice. Let's see. This one's a little large, but I gotta say, I like the look of it. It's let's open this up. So we've got a bit of a untaping to do here, unwrapping. All right. Excuse me for a sec. Wow. Quite a bit of mummy wrapping there. Should have started with the arrows. Should have really started with the arrows. Let's take off the tag. Do not trust that retail price. That is not what it cost me. At all. Well, if I'm being honest, this was a $50 wheel spin. So don't overthink that. I think it was an upgrade though, but still, it did not cost me $695 to get this watch. That would have been insane. Also, it's a quartz watch, so that would be insane if that were the case. I literally should have been committed to an insane asylum if I spent that much money on an Invicta quartz watch. Nothing wrong with Invicta or quartz, but they're just not worth that much. Again, this was a $50 wheel spin, which I think is good value for it. It's fine for that, for 50 bucks. It looks fine for 50 bucks too. Does it have, yes it does. Has something. I can feel something here, yes. There it is. Okay. Let's check the back. The back has something too. Back always has the red line, which is visible. So that helps. Alright. So let's take a look at the back here. It is upside down. So let's invert it. Alright, all stainless steel, water resistant to 50 meters. That's not that much. Limited edition. Let's see, how many? 727 out of 1,000. Alright, that's pretty cool. Limited edition, huh? So, and the time is already set. Yeah, 165 feet, 50 meters is not that much. But, let's try this watch on. This watch feels like it's also fairly large. I didn't think it would be this large because I selected it because of the look, not the case size. Alright, so we can remove, I think 3 links can be removed, or 2 in micro. Alright, so I'm going to pause this video, it's big, don't get me wrong, it's like 46 in itself, just similar to this. Let me just put them side by side so you can compare. Yeah, similar. This, if not, this one might be bigger. Yeah, it's big, don't get me wrong, but not too bad, not too bad. Alright, 2 in micro, or 3. Let's take a look at the micro adjustment here, see which one's being used. Is it on the first one? No, it's on the middle one. So that alters my plan a little bit. I'll do 3 and remove the micro. Alright, be back in a bit. Hey folks, welcome back. Here are the links I removed. And here's the watch on wrist. It is pretty big. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty massive. But it's a nice looking dress watch. Bracelets feels a little flimsy if I'm honest. But again, can't complain too much for 50 bucks. Dial looks interesting. I may end up just swapping this out for a leather band, honestly, because the dial looks really nice. Well, it's an interesting little dress, well, not little, interesting large dress watch. Reminds me of like a sky in a stormy day. But yeah, very interesting watch. Interesting watch gang wheel spin. But bracelet I could do without. Yeah. So that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. Bracelet's not very impressive to me. It feels flimsy. It was kind of very difficult to actually size it as well. I broke one of my tools sizing it up. It's one of those tools that doesn't cost anything, that usually comes with watches. But yeah, not too happy when I break a tool. So yeah, may end up switching out to leather. Is it a push-pull? No, it's not. It is a push-pull. So so you can see the whole logo, Invicta. Yeah. So it's just after there. So yeah, anyway, I think we're now done. So I don't see anything luminescent there, maybe the hands, but really not worth the lume test for now. Don't imagine it has a lot of lume. But anyway, again, I hope you're all enjoying your watches. Take care, everyone. Bye.